Now, most of you know that if you purchase a Leica Q product these days, they don't come with manuals. You can request one from Leica, but it won't be in the box. Now, if you're a streamlined camera user, you probably appreciate it. Less stuff to store and keep track of. And honestly, the Leica Q menus are so clear and easy to use that if you have a little experience with cameras, you don't really need a manual. But some of us know that the fun part of being a Leica user is getting all the accessories that come with your Leica camera, even if you don't get that much use out of them. Enter the Leica Q Manual User Guide. Sure, you can download a PDF version of it, but if you can afford this camera, you were probably raised on books rather than PDFs, and still appreciate a good paper manual with a sturdy binding. My most recent Leica Q purchase was a Q2, so I went to the website to order a copy of the manual, like I had done when I purchased the original Q. It was a simple process that took less than a minute. So let's see how it looks. And about 2.5 weeks later, this is what showed up in the mail. A little banged up, but it looks like it did come from Germany, and no tariffs had to be paid, at least by me. The stamps and the stickers on the package does look like it came from Germany. And the label does say Q2 English, so we're off to a good start. Yep, that's the manual. In the Leica colors, black and red. I like that the whole manual is in English. I like how they make you choose a language and you get it in that language. It's really nice. Well, that's the Leica Q2 manual. Pretty simple. All right, thanks.